the 3M trend milker indicator. I want you to watch this video to the end because this secret that I'm about to reveal to you will help you to analyze the market better and of course to always make a profitable decision on daily basis. At least on daily basis, you are most likely to always have a profitable trading activities at the end of the day. Okay, if you follow this instruction, this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are just joining me for the first time, and of course, if you love the content you are going to be seeing right here, I will advise you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. So guys, this is my WhatsApp number, so you can just reach out to me on WhatsApp and we can discuss together. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, this is the setup I'm having on the chart is called the 3M trend milker indicator. It is a custom made indicator, okay, but there is one thing I want you to understand. This particular indicator actually follows the SRT strategy, that is the support, resistance, and trend strategy. And that is why if you follow it fully, if you follow the instruction, you are most likely to make some good amount of profit right from there. You should notice this particular asset got to this resistance zone at this point. Like I have always been telling you, when a market or a chart is showing that the market is getting to the support zone or the resistance zone, only two things can happen. It is either there is a breakout or change in direction. Okay, any of these two things will happen. Since there is no breakout above this, if there is a breakout, it will continue with the buy trend. But since there is no breakout above it, it gave us a downtrend signal. You can see this red color. It was yellow before at this point because it was an uptrend, but it changed to red color at this point because the market is changing into a downtrend. And of course, it gave us a sell signal at this point. So you can see that is why it gave us the opportunity to sell for a very long time. This is 15 minutes time frame, which means all these candles takes 15 minutes to be created. Okay, so you can see this actually gave us an opportunity to sell right from here to this very support region. This happened to be a major support region at this point. Okay, and of course this actually gave us how many candles, how many trading candles opportunity. This is 72. So you can do your calculations very well. 72 times 15. Okay, so that will give you the total time which it took to to finish the trading activities between here and this region. Okay, so that's going to give you a lot of profit at that particular point if you had gone into the market to sell this particular asset at this point. But when it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there. You can see it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it bought for a while. Okay, it also bought for a while, even though it didn't go that far. But this is good enough for you to make some good amount of profit right from here. So yeah, this is 25 bars multiplied by 15 minutes. That's a long trading activities. Okay, so that is it. So it was unable to go above this resistance zone, so it tried to pull back, but the pullback was strong enough to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, so it gave us more selling opportunity at that point till it got to a new support zone. So it played around this support zone for a while, and I had to introduce this trend line to mark out some significant areas. Okay, you can see this region, and particular spot. So I was like, okay, if it breaks out above this trend line this time, if it does not break out below this support zone and it breaks out above this trend line, then it's going to buy. Okay, so it's going to buy. Okay, so how far will it go? That is what I don't know. Okay, so I decided to put this horizontal line here to see, okay, if it get back to this region and decide to pull back, okay, then definitely I will be able to buy from here till this particular spot. Okay, But you can see immediately it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to buy more. You can see immediately it got there, it pulled back a bit, went back there again, pulled back, went back there again. This time around, it now broke out above it totally. So at that spot, I knew it's going to buy more. So you can see it bought more till it got to this resistance zone, had the pullback, got back there again, still unable to break out from there. Remember, it respected it around here too. So since it's unable to break out from there, so it's trying to go back into a downtrend. You can see it is selling right now. However, you need to watch out for this. Okay, if you should notice, it has been going back from here. Okay, so we want it to break out from here, although this is giving us the M vibe. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to sell more. So we expect more selling opportunity right from here. So if it sells from here, we expect it to get to this region first. Sorry, to get to this region first. So this should be your first TP, and of course, your next TP should be around here. um okay, let's wait for it. Okay, so sorry about that. Your next TP should be somewhere here. Okay, so if it breaks up from here, then it should be getting to this region. Okay, so this is like a 3 TPs trading opportunity for you guys. Okay, and this chart is actually on 15-minute time frame, and you can see how beautiful it is. So if you truly understand how it works with this trading tool, you will be able to navigate your way around the market and analyze the market easily, so that you can be making profitable trades like this. Okay, because it is using the SRC strategy to support the resistance and the trend strategy. Just like I have been saying, the trend is more important than the first two. However, the three items work together in order for you to have a profitable day at the end of the day. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you can see this is preparing for a downtrend, but we need it to break out from here. Once it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more, and we are most likely to hit this TP easily, then hit the next one, and probably hit this also. Okay, so it is as easy as that. So guys, I will be stopping right there. So if you're having this trading tool, apply the same strategy to trade other assets. If you want to trade, use it to trade other assets also. Okay, so it is as easy as that. Just practice with it very well on your demo account, and you're going to see how sweet it is to make use of this trading tool to analyze the market. And once you are able to perfect your analysis with it, you can now apply the same thing on your real account. It is as easy as that. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.